Hello YouTube, this is Don from His Scribe. I am here with the Tuesday morning haul for the last 2 weeks and I haven't had a chance to post it. And clearance and some regular price items. So I'm going to show you the regular price items first and then I will show you the clearance items. I got this pack right here by Fancy Pants. I got this for scrapbook album I'm working on for my grandson. And so excited to find this. So it came with pack of tags and labels, and it's basically the primary colors. You can see them there, and it has the superhero theme, and then the enamel dots, the puffy dots to go along with it, and then these ephemera pack, which doesn't say how many is in here, but you can see all the different ones: Bigger, Faster, Stronger, The City, My Hero, Super Bro, Fantastic, Incredible Pal, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So that will go with that scrapbook album. Then I had some other paper pads. I returned them. I was going to keep them, but I just returned them. But anyway, so I do have the Have Faith, the Echo Park, and it's the 6x6 48 sheet double-sided paper. And I do a real quick flip through. Really pretty papers. I also have the stamp collection to go with that got from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the Forward with Faith. They didn't have this in the 12x12. Well, let me back up. This is the Have Faith 6x6, and this is the 12x12. And this is on the 24 single sheets. And I debated on it, but these would be great for cards. You know, memory decks, different things like that. So I really got them for the larger size cut apart. So those are the 12 and it repeats. So that's those two. And they had this one, they also have in a the smaller pack as well, like the paper collection thing. And they had this in the paper collection, but they didn't have this in the pack like this. But they did have it with the stickers and the ephemera for $14.99. I had it and then I took it back. And then I got this. I don't know. I keep debating. I might go back and get it again. I don't know. But I do like the sentiments and the strips and things in here. I could do a lot with those. And then I did get this one. I'd rather be crafting a little Whitlock. You know. We are all paper crafters, so I just love some of those things. Now, for the clearance items, these were on sale. Then they had the extra. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. Wait a minute. This was not on clearance. I ended up getting the Kaiser Craft die cuts, and this is the tribal strips. This has been in Tuesday morning for, I guess, yeah, since December, on and off, and I decided to finally get it. And this Subway too, this is Texture Subway, and I thought I could use them in layout, so I went on and got those. The rest of everything I got was on serious clearance. They had additional 20% off the lowest price, and some of these, the yellow stickers were 60%, the pink were 40%, so some of these I say as low as 77 cents, you know. Yeah, these were, I think, like 39 cents or something. I can't remember. Yeah, these were 60 cents. So these are the metal pieces that go to making bows. The rosette type bows. So I got that. I thought I had another one. I know these ended up being 97 cents. And I just thought these could be, you know, random charms that you can use on anything. And they were $5 initially, you know. And then this was on clearance as well, which this was only like, I think, 20% off with another 20% off. Which I have a ton of these anyway, but I just got some more to use on embellishments. This is the rub off. I like these little swatches. This was, I think, 77 cents. And I bought a couple. I already gave one away to one of my scrapbook friends when we was Zooming. I was sharing what I got. She said, "Oh, I don't have that. I'm missing out my collection." So I sent her that one. But I'm going to keep this. I already have this for myself, but I'm keeping it for my stash in my giveaways. So just as a giveaway. And again, got it for 77 cents. Cute stamp. You can't go wrong with that. And it wasn't expensive in the first place. It was $4. I know I am missing this one. I hope I can find her. Yep. So here's the other one, the larger one. So the small and the large. And then these dies, I think was 97 cents. Yeah. I already had this one, but again, this was for my stash. I just figured for the price I get, you know, buy some stuff for other people to put in the stash. I have this as well, and again, like this was 97 cents for those 6 dies, those speech bubbles. So those are going to my giveaway. And I bought these for me, but these were, I think yeah, these were 40% with another 20. So I think this one was like $1.80 or something. So it says vacation, family, fun, and adventure. For that price, I get it. Cut all 3 of those out. Got some titles for a scrapbook page. And I love crafty stuff. I got the crafty paper pad and some other crafty stickers and stamps. So I said, boom, get the scissors and the glue. And then the same thing. This is crafty as well as going with my sewing theme or fashion theme. So I got the thimble and the needle and thread. And again, these were under $2. And this was under $2. I think I may have these. This I'm on the fence about, but I got it anyway because it was on clearance and it was the last one. I looked at them a ton of times, but I'm not sure if I have this in my stash. But if I do, it'll go into the giveaway. Again, just, you know, when I say giveaway, I mean it could be a rack, it could be a giveaway, either one. But that is my haul from TM, and of course when they have those clearance with an additional 20% off, you should check your clearance. There was tons of papers at the different stores, but because we still have several Tuesday mornings open, but I didn't need any more paper. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God.